Hello, my name is Edwin Courtenay. I'm a spiritual teacher, clairvoyant and channel here in the UK who works from time to time at the College of Psychic Studies in London. On the 23rd of May, I'm going to be offering a full-day online workshop using the college's Zoom platform. The workshop is called Becoming a Spiritual Warrior. The workshop is focused on aligning to and learning from an Ascended Master called El Morya, who is more famously known as one of his previous incarnations when he was King Arthur Pendragon. El Morya is the spiritual warrior of the Ascended Master Collective. He teaches us how to master ourselves, how to become a warrior in regards to the negative energy of our own thoughts and emotions, how to become self-mastered and divinely self-realized. The workshop is perfect for the struggles and difficulties that we're all going through at this moment in time. It will have lots of exercises, lots of meditations, lots of practical hints and tips that we can use now to get control over our inner saboteur, our inner shadow, and to really bring forth the power of our divine self. As a little example of what to expect from the day, here is a little hint and tip. El Morya says that writing a diary or a journal is an excellent way of converting internal negative thoughts and negative emotional energy into external energies that can be exorcised from the mental and emotional being, placed onto the page so that they can be seen from a dispassionate perspective and dealt with, understood, worked through, or transmuted and cleared. Keeping a diary, a journal, a spiritual journal then being an excellent way of converting the internal energies that can sometimes upset us as we journey on our path. If you want to find out more about the workshop, go to the college's website, collegeofpsychicstudies.co.uk, and click on workshops or search for my name in the search bar and you should come across it. Thank you very much for listening and hope to see you there.